Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a personal ledger updated. Start by listing core accounts like income, bills, savings, and spending. Create columns for date, description, category, debit, credit, and balance. Use clear labels and a consistent order. Plan to record every transaction the day it happens. Review weekly to spot trends and adjust categories as needed to keep the ledger accurate and useful. Decide whether you want a paper ledger, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app based on convenience and control. Set up templates or columns for frequent transactions. Include formulas to auto-calculate balances if using a spreadsheet. Use categories that match your goals like essentials, goals, and fun. Test a format for 2 weeks and tweak it until it feels easy to maintain and actually helps you make better spending choices. Create a simple daily routine. Enter receipts, tag categories, and update balances each evening. Mark recurring payments and set reminders for transfers and bills. Reconcile against bank and card statements weekly to catch mistakes. Highlight irregular expenses and plan for them with a separate buffer category. Treat the ledger like a living document that nudges decisions, not a chore, and reward yourself when entries are complete for the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.